Galaxy Watch 5 Pro in real life. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is the best Android smartwatch available in the market with some amazing features. With having a bigger battery and new hiking feature, this could be a perfect fit for health conscious people with sleep tracking feature and more. If you're looking to get a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, then 25th of August is the last date of pre-orders. And if you order after pre-orders, you guys won't get any Samsung credit with your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So this is the right time to buy the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what feature do you like the most on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and which feature do you use the most in the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The durability of Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is amazing with new titanium build and sapphire glass, which is 60% stronger than Gorilla Glass used in Galaxy Watch 4. But after some time, this titanium Watch 5 Pro started getting small scratches on the sides, which is not a good thing, because getting scratches quickly is something Samsung should think about. Either this is an issue with the titanium build or something else, but sapphire glass worked well, because it is surrounded by a big bezels. And talking about the bezels, the curved edges, and it's kind of like comfortable while using the Watch 5 Pro. Mostly when we use the digital rotating features, it feels much better and gives a better idea where to put a finger while using it. Now battery is something everyone talks about. It is a reality that the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is really good compared to its predecessor. But it is totally depends on your usability. And if you use Galaxy Watch 5 Pro normally with the GPS enable and sleep tracking, it can last around 2 full days. And if GPS is off, it can last more than 3 days. But I have came across a comment where he said he barely get 24 hours of battery backup. It seems like his usage is so intensive that the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro barely lasts a day. But as per Samsung, it can last more than 80 hours. I just came across a camera control feature on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and after reading Samsung documentation, it says it will only work with the higher end smartphones, and if you have a budget Galaxy device, then it will not work with it. The device should be S9 or above will work with the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro camera feature, and there is no other phone mentioned, which means it will only work with the Galaxy devices. As you all know, we can only access the health features through Galaxy Health app, so only buy Galaxy Watch 5 Pro if you are a Galaxy's user. If not, then you can go for the other brands. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below what features do you like the most on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and which feature do you use the most in the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.